Hello guys, this is Teacher Jala, your virtual educator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we start, if you wanted to be updated with my future videos, please hit the button below, subscribe button. So let's start. Okay, so you have here two words, so I'm going to introduce you to these two misused words in English language. So a lot of Filipinos nowadays nai-interchange itong two words na to. Actually, kung sa umpisa talaga, parang pareho, but they're not the same, okay? So let's learn what's the difference between the two and how to use these two words, all right? Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about the use of the words some and any in a sentence. So here it says that some and any are used with both countable and uncountable nouns to ask about, confirm, and respond negatively about an indefinite amount. So both of these words, these words are used in negative and affirmative sentences. Now, also, these two words are used in singular and plural nouns.
Wow.
Okay, so examples of sentences using some and any. So let's check these sentences. So the first is, do you have any salt? Okay. Next is, there are some chairs in that room. And last, we have, she doesn't have any money. So if you're going to notice, at first, parang pwede namang some, pwede namang any, right? But there are rules in using any and some.
Wow.
Okay, so the first rule is that you're going to use some in positive sentences. So we use some for both countable and uncountable nouns. So for example, I have some friends. In this case, friends, the word friends is an example of a countable noun. Another example is, I have some food. All right?
Wow.
Okay, so next rule is that you're going to use any in negative sentences or questions. So, ano nga ba yung negative sentences na yon? Yung paggamit ng not. Okay? So, yung paggamit ng not in a sentence, for example, haven't, have not, can't, cannot. All right? So, we use any for both countable and uncountable nouns. For example, do you have any cheese? All right, so that's a question. Do you have any cheese? Or, we don't have any cheese.
Wow.
Okay, so another rule in using some is that you're going to use some in questions when offering or requesting something that is there. For example, would you like to have some food? Or could I have some water? All right, so that's a question that it's a question that, and you are requesting for something. All right.
Wow.
Okay, so another rule is that use some words like somebody, someone, somewhere, and something in positive sentences. For example, he lives somewhere near here. Hindi mo sasabihin, he lives anywhere near here. Okay?
Wow.
Okay, on the other hand, you're going to use any words like anybody, anyone, anywhere, and anything in negative sentences or questions. For example, do you know anything about that boy? Or we could say that she doesn't have anywhere to go.
Wow.
Okay, so let's try this activity that I prepared for you. All right, so the first sentence is, are there messages for me? So what's the answer? Okay, very good. The answer is any. All right, so let's have the second sentence. There's milk in the fridge. What's the answer? Okay, great. The answer is some. Good job. Okay, so that's it for today. So it's me once again, Teacher Jella, your virtual educator. So I hope you learned something from me today. So if you wanted to be updated with my videos, just click the subscribe button below. All right, so it's time for me to say goodbye. Have a great day.
I'm talking about the